Hi dear friends, how are you? This is Tariqul Islam comes again with a new video of my continuous parenting series. You know that I am conducting a series that is named by parenting series from a last few months where I am discussing and sharing with you different issues, aspects and techniques related with parenting, and I have segregated my parenting series in some categories, on which categories I have discussed different parts of life of the baby, on which time the parents should act how. And now I am on the part 7 where I am discussing about the post graduation level of the students. On that time, what approaches should have the parents. And today I will discuss another important thing, that is future planning and storing or saving some money for the baby. When you are on the early age of your parenting, that means your boy or girl is on not so aged, he is school level or not going to the school, from that time you have to saving something, because we find in most of the cases when the boys or girls are on the post graduation level, that time they want to do something, and especially sometimes they want to start some business or some job that needs some money, or go to abroad. On that time the family, most of the families feel the need of money and they cannot source money and become a problem, face some problems. So if you store, if you save some money, it may be a little bit from the early of age of your boy or girl. If you save some money for his future life, especially for that stage of life, it will be better for him. Like if you starting saving money only 100 taka, I am giving an example that you are starting to save money 100 taka from his birth. So when he is on the post graduation level, his age may be 25 or 26. We take that 25 age, assume that it is 25 age. So 25 age, he has a you will save every month 100 taka. That means in 25 age, it will be 25 into 12. That means 300 installment, and when 300 installment, if we multiply it with 100, it will be 3 lakh, and with the profit or interest add it will be 5 to 6 lakh, and it will be a very nice, a very good amount for any boy or girl to start something, to do something or to go abroad. So if you save only 100 every month, it is not so much, and it will not hamper your usual life, because 100 in a month is very few amount in our country's perspective. So but when you will get it after 25 years, it will be 5 lakh to 6 lakh. On that time it will help you very much, and it will release the pressure, mental and financial pressure of your boy or girl to do something on that time. And they will get a lot of support from you if they have the financial side, because most of the boys and girls on that time struggle a lot and they have not enough backup about the financial side. So if you do this from early age planning, it will be better for your boy and girls. I hope you will take this advice, and if you increase the amount, not 100, you may save 200 or 300 or 400 or 500 or 1000. If you have the ability, it will be very much fruitful, and the amount will be bigger. So thank you very much. I hope you get some idea about the technique that I have shared with you to finance for your baby, for your child on their post graduation level, and how you will create fund. I hope you will apply it in your real life and be benefited. Thank you very much. Bye.